In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Weak Legacy 2 Discord server step by step. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your Discord app or just go to the Discord website and look over on the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way down, and you're going to see an option for add a server. Go ahead and select that. In this new window that does pop up, go ahead and choose join a server, and now you're going to see a box asking for an invite link. In that box, you're going to want to type this exactly: weak-legacy-2. After you do that, you can either hit join server or just hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to immediately load you into the Discord server. From here, you're going to see all of the channels, and you'll be able to chat with other players as well as stay updated on every single thing that's going on with the game. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Quick recap: just open up Discord, click the plus sign down towards the bottom, and choose join a server, and then type in Weak Legacy 2. And then hit join. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.